Hello students, let us evaluate another paper. This paper requires your kind suggestion. Reading, uh, in reading, the student has scored 4, writing is 3, grammar is 9, literature MCQs 4, literature writing is 1. So this is one area where you can give one suggestion, identify one quality, good quality in this paper and give 3 suggestions, or if you have more suggestions for improvement, kindly give suggestions. Question number, the sub question numbers are correct, but there are no literals, the textual area and the answers. So, and give suggestions how the candidate can improve in reading, especially unseen reading, and how to avoid errors. It was pointed out that CBSE wanted only 10 selected answers, not all 12, so one has to select and respond to only 10, which where the candidate feels the answers are all correct. Question number 2, kindly suggest reading strategies, and writing only the literal will not help. The answers should be written along with this. If at all the answer, it is expected that the marks should be awarded. If the question numbers are missing or the question number has missed out when photo clicking, that is a different case, but I believe the question numbers were written. Any 10 to be answered, but the candidate has not selected, but not paid attention to the format of the question paper. Literature MCQs kindly suggest how the candidate should study in order to score in this area. This is prose and poem. Option literal A, B, C, D, that is to be written along with the answers. Grammar, any 4 to be attempted. If you attempt all, it's a waste of time. Only 4. The CBSE examiner will check the first 4 and score out the remaining 2. Question number is essential, without which the examiner will not award marks to that question, because it is required for the examiner to transfer the marks on the cover sheet where the question number should be appropriate. Suggest how this letter writing can improve. It requires a lot of effort. Self-address, date is missing. To address, the address that is written in one line is also inappropriate. Subject, no salutation, it is written in a haphazard manner. I would like it should be in formal language. Subscription, the CBSE candidate is, if it's a boy, should pick the name of a boy. If it's a girl, should pick the name of the girl and write only one name over there. One shouldn't write Tarun slash Tabassum. This is completely incorrect way of responding or writing. It should be signature first and then name. Question numbers are missing. Paragraph, it doesn't seem to be a paragraph at all. Format marks, content marks, fluency marks, and accuracy marks would not be awarded. Literature, no opening sentence. It is uh, the candidate needs a lot of suggestions for improvement.